Hi everyone, ako po pala si Fritz Jan Balane, and originally from Purukulo, Barangay Salvacion, Panabo City, and I am the owner of Azrael Biryani House. So Azrael Biryani House actually started as a food delivery service that was initiated by my brother, Frankie Johnson Balane. It was just the result of their interest and their love for food and love for biryani. They thought of creating a restaurant, establishing a restaurant. And fast forward, here we have now Azrael's Biryani House. It created a buzz actually in Tagum, in Davao. Everyone loved their biryani delivery. Actually, fun trivia. Curry was brought by Indians or by South Asians through religion, through Buddhism. Na-influensyahan tayo with curry. Kaya kumain tayong kare-kare.
When I met you in the summer, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. Put your flags up in the sky.
They don't dance and tell story of my life. Oh, you're gone and I gotta stay high. Don't blame it on me.
Our biryani is really made with lots of efforts and time, but we made sure that we are offering biryani that will definitely loved by Filipinos.
Nice. That's a nice idea.
Yes.
Okay.
Ang sauce.
Ibaro mo rin.
Hindi ka siya doon.
So guys, ang sa akin ay sa ganun eh.
Baby back ribs.
Baby back ribs. So ang taste. So ang taste is masarap siya guys. So meron din siyang sige ng halang. Yes, anghang siya ng konti, which is good. Yes, mas prefer ko siya kasi meron siyang spicy.
Okay. Then,
Lumiyan sa krem sa kare-kare.
it's time for pilau. First bite, saucy. Saucy na. Oh, saucy yan. Ano? So, meron yung mga criteria or sa mga eduk pa tinatawag na rubrics. first one, ang una ay ang food quality. So sa food quality, ang taste, presentation, overall quality of the food, consider the flavors, freshness of ingredients, and the cooking technique. So, ang sa lasa niya, ma-describe ko siya through the word of authentic. Minsan ka lang kasi makakapigil ng ganitong food. Actually, ito yung first time na makakatikim ako ng ganito, yung basmati rice. Ganun. Kasi yung sauce niya, hindi talaga siya yung parang, hindi siya yung parang nakasanayan natin na sauce. Kasi mahilig ko sa maalat. Pero na-amaze pa rin ako sa lasa niya kasi nabigay siya ng bagong flavor na natikman ng dila ko. Okay. Sa presentation, ang presentation ng in-order ko pala is biryani kebab. Beef biryani. So, ang presentation niya, maganda siya pag-Instagram. Kasi yung color ng basmati rice is para siya, anong color na?
Yellow.
Yellow siya, something, ganan, yellow siya.
Yeah,
Makikita naman yan sa picture.
Ay, wala. Wala picture.
Yellow is something, tapos may nakapatong na beef sa kanya na brown ang color. Then sa gilid niya may mga black din na ano. Then sa ibabaw niya, may fries siya, which is madalas pinang-toppings or pinang-design or nilalagyan ng, ano yun, parang decoration yung plating niya sa platter. So, nice ang presentation niya. Pinagplanuhan talaga. Okay?
With effort.
Sa ingredients, actually, nag-share kami ng pagkain dito. Yung ibang ingredients, yung ibang dishes, may mga vegetables. So, nice parehas yung kare-kare. Yung kare-kare is, may ano siya, may, ano tawag doon, pechay. Tapos yung pechay niya, hindi siya masyadong luto. Kumbaga, sakto lang yung pagkaluto niya, hindi siya nasobrahan. Yun, so, good siya. Then, ang quality, syempre, yung quality ng basmati rice nila, hindi naman siya agad kinukuha lang kung saan-saan. So, sure na ka na, ang quality ng rice nila is very, 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 hindi ko ma-explain. Nakaka-amaze kasi syempre nakakain ka ng ganun yung lasa. Sa cooking technique, tenderness ng meat, 10 out of 10. Kasi nagkuha ka ng bite size niya, gamit yung kutsara, matali mo lang siya matatanggal. So, napakalambot niya.
As a real biryani house is budget friendly, good customer service, great experience,
And of course, recommendable.
kaon na!
As a real biryani house,
The best biryani